Customising SolidWorks is a great way to reduce design time as it removes unnecessary clicks, reduces cursor travel, and puts your most commonly used features front and centre. In this video, we'll take a look at what can be customised and how to achieve it. The most commonly used menu in SolidWorks has to be the Command Manager. This ribbon menu has specific tabs for each modelling approach, such as surfacing, sheet metal, weldments, as well as tabs for evaluation and add-ins. To display a tab for any type of functionality, right-click on one of the existing tabs and choose from the tab menu. Custom tabs can also be created, which allow any features to be added. To create a new tab, right-click on any of the existing tabs and choose Customise. Right-click again on any of the existing tabs, choose Add Tab and Empty Tab. To add buttons to the menu, search for any of the features on the Commands tab from the pop-up window and drag and drop them into place. As a side note, it's useful to know that when looking for a command in SolidWorks, the search in the top right-hand corner can be used to quickly access any feature. Not only that, but from the search, a feature can also be dragged and dropped onto the Command Manager, which adds it to that tab. SolidWorks has a handy shortcut toolbar that displays different commands depending on the environment. It appears wherever the mouse is and is prompted by tapping S. To edit this toolbar, right-click on it and choose Customise. Any features can be added by searching for it and then dragging and dropping it into place. One of the additional benefits of using the shortcut toolbar is that it also features a built-in command search. So if a feature is ever needed that isn't on the toolbar, it can be quickly found without having to travel to different areas of the user interface. Mouse gestures are a type of shortcut menu that appear when the right mouse button is held and dragged in any direction. By default, each SolidWorks environment, including Sketch, Part, Assembly and Drawing, has its own unique mouse gesture palette that can be customised to suit the user's needs. To customise the mouse gestures, head to the drop-down menu beside the options and choose Customise. On the Mouse Gestures tab, the amount of gestures can be set from 2, 3, 4, 8 and 12. Then simply choose which buttons exist on the wheel, features can be searched for and dragged and dropped into place. Multiple shortcuts can even be paired together. Search for a shortcut when customising mouse gestures and the shortcut bar from the last section can be added. This expands the range of features available and adds search functionality, all to your right mouse button when prompting mouse gestures. Mouse gestures do take a little getting used to, but once mastered, the time saving is huge as cursor travel is massively reduced. Whenever something is selected within the SolidWorks interface, a context toolbar appears with a selection of features that may be required next. This is really useful as it brings relevant features directly to the cursor. To make this toolbar even more effective, it can be customised by right-clicking and choosing Customise. Any feature can then be selected and simply dropped onto it, making it available anytime the context menu appears. Within the SolidWorks user interface, colours and icons can be modified to change the look and feel. There are two drop-down menus on the Colours tab within System Options that control this. For icon colour, default uses the newer blue and grey icons, which have been in place since SolidWorks 2016, whereas Classic uses the older green and yellow icons. For the background, this can be changed between light, medium, and dark. Once settings have been changed and customizations made to the user interface, it's a good idea to save these changes. This can be done using the Save Setting wizard, which is accessed from the Options drop-down. In the wizard, existing settings can be saved, settings can be restored from a file, or settings can be reset to default. When settings are saved, it creates a settings file. This file can be used as a backup should anything go wrong with the SolidWorks install or machine, or it can be used as a way of sharing settings across multiple users and machines. To import the settings into a second machine, open up the Settings wizard and browse for the settings file using the Restore Settings option. Great, that brings us to the end of this video. I hope you found it useful. Make sure to let us know if you have any ideas for topics for future videos, And remember to check out Cadasio for all your 3D interactive instruction manuals too. You can find us at cadasio.com.